Hate when girls, especially my girlfriend, think that we're gonna leave them all the time. Oh, you're gonna leave me because I'm not good enough. Woman, I'm lucky I even got you. What do you mean? I am built like a twig. I look like every basic white boy with black hair. You are probably going to be the first and last girlfriend I have. I'm hideous. I appreciate that you have enough confidence in me that you think I can pull another girl like that, but I really can't. You are stuck with me because there's no way. Nobody's going to be lined up at my door like I want to date him. I don't even know how you put up with me half the time. I'm lucky you even looked in my direction. What do you mean? What about I'm about to leave you? Where am I about to go? Walmart?